Hi everybody, this is Asen, your teacher for today's lesson, and today we are going to learn some useful expressions for introduction. Well, I have divided these into two groups, formal and informal, so that by the end of this video you will have a clear idea of how to introduce yourself or another person formally and informally. Before that, let's just assume you have just been introduced to someone. So in informal situation, it's very nice and simple. You can say, "Hi, I am," or you can say, "Hello, my name is." But in formal situation, you have to use more advanced structures. For example, "Hello, I don't think we have met. Let me introduce myself. My name is," or you can say, "Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is." How to introduce someone else. In informal situation, this is very nice and simple as I have said. For example, "This is my friend Jewel," or you can say, "This is my brother Jewel." But in formal situation, you should say, "May I introduce my colleague Riaz," or "Allow me to introduce my colleague Rahan," or you can also say, "I would like you to meet my colleague Tanzeen." What to say after introductions? In informal situation, "Hi, Mr. Rihan, nice to meet you." In response, Mr. Rihan can say, "Nice to meet you too." Or, "Hello, Mr. Ripon, I'm happy to meet you." In response, Mr. Ripon can say, "Lovely to meet you too." Informal situation, we often heard, "How do you do?" This sentence. How do you do? This is not a question. It means nice to meet you. So whenever someone say, "How do you do?" we should respond like, "How do you do?" Another example, for formal situation, "It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Dipto." And Mr. Dipto can respond by saying, "I'm very pleased to meet you too."